I will come back. Another important session, how to increase or decrease amount, mass pricing, any condition types in S4 HANA 2021. So what I would like to present is, so you would like to increase or decrease on bulk of condition types, the amount, it might be in terms of absolute amount or percentage. How we can able to handle it? You know very well, you can handle these things by using LSMW, but if it is some kind of list, we can handle like this also. Okay, no problem. Let me show you. I'll show you. This is basically handled by end user, but still it's a one of the key learning for you. Okay. Now let's go. Let's assume that all these are the 1,000 condition records, but actually we're having more than 10 to 12 records here. Okay. All put together 13 records. So now if you look at this, 25, 3,000, 7,000, 5,000, like that, some prices got maintained. Okay. Let me select this. Assume that all these are the different materials in my company. So suddenly they have a scenario in a such a way that they would like to increase the base prices a little. Okay. For that, what you can able to do is just click change amount, this button. Okay. So for example, here I would like to increase 10%. Let me show you. This is 10%. On 2,500, what exactly the 10% is? Okay. Let me show you here. So for an example, let me do one thing. Let's go here. Cancel this first. So first select this column. Okay. Control Y. I'm just taking these prices only. I would like to show you practically what exactly happens. So come here. So assume that all these are the base prices. I would like to increase by 10% into 10 divided by 100. Okay. So 2,500 on 25,000, the 10%. Let's try to do this. All these are the prices. It's supposed to increase. So what is the total? Okay. Sum is like this. This plus this. Okay. Row wise. You can see this. All these are the prices. So assume that this is old price. Okay. This is new price with 10% increase. Okay. Let's see the result. How you can able to play with that. That, okay. If you click here, let's put the 10%. So if it is like, certain amount, you would like to increase, you can able to use this one. So let's put this one as a 10%. Let's click on copy. Now check this. So old price is, see, rate old is this one. This is what? This is 3,000 and this is 3,300. Okay. So I think it's exactly matches with our calculation, I feel. Okay. This is how you can able to do the changes. Okay. So let's come back. So now it is got increased, right? So see, condition rate increased by 10%. In the similar way, you can able to decrease also. Okay. Let's save this. Okay. Come back. Okay. I would like to show you how we can able to do the absolute amount increase. Okay. So this is what my target is. Okay. Let's come back to the Excel. Okay. So I would like to add another 100. Maybe like I can make it 101. Okay. This is what the target is. I would like to add. Okay. Let's click this. So again, so this is absolute amount. Just for understanding, I'm showing you. So you will not do both activities. Okay. What is this? Say 101. This is 500. So new price is increased with 101. Okay. Let me show you here. How do we do that? It's simple. Just select all again. So see, you can able to change for particular condition record also. Since it is, I said mass, I'm just changing base prices. Okay. So let's put this one as 101. So copy again. So now see it is got increased. I think it is exactly matching with our Excel. So now if you check this, it is got increased with 101. Okay. We have few more fields also there. We can able to see this. This is how if you save it, you can able to see the same prices if you reopen. Okay. So if you'd like to get more inputs like this, rise your skills. So this is what my channel is all about. Here I'm going to discuss about all the skills what I have. Okay. Before leaving corporate. Of course, it is not going to happen that much easily. I have a lot of responsibilities, but still I can able to share my knowledge here with a lot of seriousness. So if you come here, this is my dedicated forum currently holding 6,700 students. I would like to request, these are the two real-time courses everyone must subscribe irrespective of their domain. One is for idocs and this is getting mastered right functional specification. These two are the courses, key courses currently holding 2,000 plus students, okay, for my pricing. And this is all about, on S4 HANA, I have done advanced pricing concepts. If you really want, you can give a try these courses, okay. What is the key input at my end, okay. So if you look at this, this is S4 HANA course, currently it is 44 hours. It is going to get increased day by day. So with concepts, better subscribe this. Right term, it is useful. And if someone is looking for condition contract and settlement management, this is new rebate replacement. I have introduced this course. If you really want, you can try all these courses. Okay, thanks so much and wishing you all the best. If you really like this video, please like it and subscribe my channel. That is the wish at my end, being a professional. You can able to see the prices got saved, right? Okay. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.